Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are continuing a discussion on N8n, and in this video we will be discussing an interesting use case with respect to N8n. For example, I have created a chat application with using N8n. Okay, and usually we need to integrate that with our website, our existing website, or maybe some other applications, right? So in this video I will show you how can we integrate the N8n chat with our, or how can we embed the N8n chat with our website. Okay, for example, let me create a very small application, very small chat application using N8n. Okay, so I will be using a chat trigger for that. Let me take the chat trigger. Let's see. Okay, I'm searching for the chat data. Okay, this is my chat trigger. Okay, now let me add a agent here. Let's add a agent, very simple a agent. Okay, nothing fancy. Let's add this and add a OpenAI model also. So here I will be adding OpenAI chat model. Okay, this we have discussed multiple times, so I'm not going to discuss this further. Okay, so this is what we have done. So in my prompt, let me add a system prompt, and here I am saying you are a helpful assistant. You need to answer to questions related to LLM, large language model. Language model. Okay, so this is what my AI agent will do. Okay, so we are done. Now let me add this hi, and we'll see. Okay, so now this is working fine. Maybe I can add the memory also. Let's add a simple memory also. Okay, so we are good. Let me save this. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to integrate, I'm going to add this chat into my website. So here let me open this. Let me open the server. Okay, so here consider this is my sample web page. I want to integrate the chat with this web page. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, for that what we can do, let me have this. First we have to save this. Okay, now make it active. Okay, now let's click on the chat trigger. Here we need to make it chat, make chat publicly available. Let's make it. Okay, then there are two modes are there. One is the hosted mode and one is the embedded chat. So just go and make embedded chat, because we are going to embed this into our website. Okay, so if you do that, we can, here we can see the documentation. Let's click on the documentation. Okay, so this will redirect to a npm page. So if you scroll down here, if you scroll down slowly, we can see how can we embed this into our website. Okay, so let me copy this first. I just copied it. For that, let me save this. I just copied the link, and here I can paste it before here. Okay, now go back to the website again. Let's copy this, the script, copy this one, and simply paste it here. Save it, and let's start the server again. Okay, now see, by adding that just one or two code here, we will able to see the chat here. So let's open this. Okay, so currently I am in let me open this. Let me close the Safari. It's some UI issues with the Safari. So let me paste it in my Chrome. Okay, so just open it, and we can see an interesting chat UI can be seen here, right? Now let me type here hi. Okay, now I'm getting a empty response. So let's go back and analyze why we are getting this empty response. Okay, so this is the code that I have copied, right? So here we need to paste our webhook URL. Okay, for that let's go to our N8n. Click on here. Here we can see the chat URL. Let's copy this, come here, then paste it here. Let's paste it here. Okay, we are good. And let me refresh this. Okay, I can see the chat here and just type it here. Hi. Okay, again I'm getting an error. So the reason why is I have to restart the server again. So let me go back here and restart it again. Okay, so this is, sorry, I don't want in the Safari, I need it in the Firefox. Okay, no, sorry, Chrome. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to type hi. Okay, now I'm able to getting the result from this. How can I assist you with a large language model today? Okay, so what is an LLM? I'm just asking. Okay, see, it is giving me reply very beautifully, right? So we are able to connect our website, or we are able to embed a N8n chat with our website. Okay, now see, next we can see how can we customize this. Okay, so that is also very simple. Okay, so just go back, scroll it down. Okay, so here we can see these are the some default options. Okay, here it is starting with create chat. So if you scroll up, we can see that earlier what we have done, we have created we have copied a created chat. Here we have only updated with the webhook URL, right? So if you scroll down, we can see it's a detailed version of create chat, right? So let me copy this, okay, and let's replace with this create chat, paste it here, and don't forget to update the webhook URL. Okay, so here the create chat webhook URL is empty. Let's go back here, copy and paste it here, okay. After that, restart, and this is but my default browser is Safari, so I just want to close this. In the Chrome, I'm pasting it here. Okay, now let me see, this is working. Hi. Okay, so this is working fine, but we didn't do any changes, right? So you guys can see there hi there, and start a chat, and we are here to help you to 20/4, and we can see some comments here. Okay, so if you come and closely watch here, so here we can see the initial messages can be seen here, and the title can be seen here. Okay, everything can be seen here, right? So I can say type your that LLM questions. Okay, and here I can start a chat, and we are here to help you. Hi, instead of hi there, I'm just saying only hi. Okay, so here also I can say my name is I can say LLM support agent. Maybe I can say LLM QA agent. Okay, I'm just renaming it something like this. Okay, I have saved it, and let's start it again. Okay, again, this is a Safari in my case. I don't want that in here. Let's paste it here, or refresh the browser in Chrome. Let's open it. See, this is changed, right? Earlier it was hi there, now it is only hi. And here also we can see my name is LLMQ agent, right? So this is changed really well. Now I can chat it here, hi. Okay, now this is working perfectly fine. Okay, now next is one more thing I can show. How can we customize this? Okay, the branding is also very important, right? So how can we do the branding? For that, let's scroll it down. Okay, so here we can see the customization can be seen here. So let me copy it here. Let's copy this one, and maybe let's go back to my browser. Okay, this can be added here. Okay, so I'm just added this. Okay, these are the default one. Okay, again I can restart the server. Server is restarted. I'm seeing here Okay, there is no change at all. Okay, because we didn't do any change yet. Okay, so it's work. I want to ensure that everything is working fine. Now this is working fine. Okay, now based on this okay, so based on this script, okay, we could able to change each and every element in the chat. Okay, so I don't want to change like lot of things because this need to be carefully changed, but I will show you like one simple thing. Okay, for example, let's go back here, and here we can see let actually here we can see our chat is here, right? Now let me move this to somewhere here. Okay, for that what I can do, let's go back to my HTML or CSS file. Here I am going to make spacing to like 10 rep. Okay, again restart, go to my Chrome browser. See, now we can see that this is moved from here to here, right? Okay, then similar way maybe I can try some more thing. I don't know how this is going to impact. Maybe border radius, this can be increase the chat window. Maybe I can make the chat window size as 1000. Here also I can make it like 6000 or something like that, just to show you. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, I just restarted it. Let's make it. See, the chat window has increased, right? Okay, it was earlier it was very small, now it is increased. Okay, so in this way we can do, okay, we can do a lot of changes here. Most of the customization can be run through this what we call CSS. Okay, because the branding is very important. Okay, so you guys can download and you guys can play it out. This is very easy to integrate or very easy to embed this N8n chat with our any web applications. Okay, so that is all about in this video. Hope it's very clear. If you have any questions, please try to ask in the comment box. I will try to reply there, and please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.